Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video, I'm going to show you guys how to send SMS to email and make sure you can get this your text messages notified via email. So, and this is all 100% free. You do not have to pay to send text messages to email and things in that sort. So keep this in mind. You can receive email for free via text message. It just depends on if you're paying for messages or if you're not. Now, this is absolutely 100% free using applications like Text Now, Text Plus, Google Voice, weather application that's VoIP. Now, for some, it may cost you a little money, maybe $10 a month, minimum. All right, so just keep that in mind. I'll leave links in the description box. I'll also leave you test emails that can show you that you can use to message. All right, so no further ado, let's go ahead and open up the application Text Now. All right, so we're gonna have to open up this app. Okay, so as you can see, I sent me plenty of text messages with this fake email account, and I'll put that in a link. You can use it. I don't care. You can send me emails. I don't care. This is a temporary email address. All right, so basically, you just do this. Hey, I'm emailing you to let you know that it is a test message. So I could do that, send it, boom, sent. So once I turn back on the Wi-Fi or data connection, I can send it. Now, another way you can turn on notifications to get notifications from someone sending you a text message via email is you go through your settings, you go through your account, and you hit the text address. And you can also allow, people on social media to send you messages here. So it says your friends can text you by emailing this address. So if they want to email you, they can send that email address. They can send that email message to this account. And once you do that, you will receive it through your SMS notifications. As you can see, you see numbers and names and things and that sort. You'll also see another email address. So this is another email address, and they send me messages, and I can send messages back. Boom. So it's sent. They probably might reply. They might not. Who knows? All right. So that's another way you could do it without internet or Wi-Fi. Also, here's another cool thing with Google Voice. Yes, I have a Google Voice account, a separate Google Voice account. You go to settings. All right, so the Google Voice number is shown right there. Forward messages to link numbers. You can forward messages to another cell phone number. You can forward messages to email. So this is a Gmail account. So anything I receive from the Google Voice phone number will also be sent to my Gmail account, which is this. So if I don't want that on, if I don't want to get notifications, I turn it off. So I will not get email sent. But if I want email sent via my text message, I want to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you will receive notifications. You can try and test it out yourself. And if I receive it and send it back, that means it worked. So there you have it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's a really simple tutorial. It's not that hard to do. Now, I do have a Samsung SMS. And as you can see, I did send myself messages. But since this is a VoIP service, it's been blocked. So I can just say, hey, this is a test message. I can do that again. Even though it says sent, I will get that notification. You're not allowed to send text messages with this account. So, but what I've noticed is this person, I don't know who this is, my bad, has been sending me messages. So I wonder. Let's see. Let's see if that gets sent. And no, I will get that. But somehow this person is sending me notifications. All right. So very odd how this is working. But if they're using that number, I am getting messages, which is very odd, very odd. But at the same time, it does work without Wi-Fi or internet access. It's basically trial and error. As you can see, I do get notifications, and I'm going to open those up and read them. So, boom. So something is working and something isn't working. But it's just a trial and error. And you also can do this with Google Hangouts. If you merge your Google Voice number to Google Hangouts, you can do that as well. So text now, Google Voice, Hangouts will work. All right. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know you can send emails via SMS for free without Wi-Fi data? All right. Thanks for watching. It's your boy. I'm out.